To commemorate Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary and conclude the Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, large-scale cleaning drives were held in Umdihar village, Riphoi district and in Jowai town. In Umdihar, the Dorbarshnong led a village-wide campaign targeting roads, public buildings and community spaces to promote a cleaner environment. Rangwashnong, Mr. Romal Lingdwa urged residents and nearby communities to take pride in maintaining cleanliness and support Gandhi's vision of a clean India. Meanwhile, in July, the Municipal Board, Traders Association, Dorbarshnong Tumpang Yamusiang, and various market communities organized a cleaning drive across market areas. JMB CEO TV Lengdwa encouraged responsible waste disposal, while Daloi Puramon Kinjing reminded students of their civic duties. Officials, vendors, and residents actively participated, sweeping streets and cleaning public spaces, demonstrating strong community involvement and commitment to sanitation.